So today we're going to cover how to dismantle a knob lock for rekeying. And this video is simply going to cover how to dismantle and get to the cylinder so you can rekey the lock. And assuming you've taken the lock off the door, you basically have got the two halves. You take the first half, the small half, and put it aside. You don't need that. This is the half we're interested in. So the first thing we need to do is take this center piece out, which connects both halves and allows you to lock and unlock from the other side of the knob. And this video is assuming you have the key, the old key for the lock. You won't always have the old key for the lock. Many times you won't have the key for the lock, and we'll cover that in another video. But in this case I do, and the first thing you have to do is insert the key and turn the lock so that this lines up with the notch. You can see that on the different, when it's turning, you can see that that little cam here is not always centered. You need to turn the key and try and get a good view of it so the cam is centered, just like that. Now the key won't come out. That's okay. This device is called a cylinder removal tool. It's kind of skinny at one end and has a kind of a convex fork at the other end. And with this tool, you grab the lock, insert the tool between the post and this. There's two ends. One end has a flap right here that you wouldn't be able to use the tool on. The other end, you're able to insert the tool and kind of turn it sideways. And that will allow us to pull this out. So, once again, with the cam centered and your tool, your removal tool, you insert the tapered end between the post and the lock, and you kind of twist it. And what happens is there's now, you can see that something slid down. And if we push and apply some pressure, so we've now pushed up on the tool and this tapered end is pushed down, watch what's happening. Now we can grab this center post and pull it right out.